Tonight, a man whose method of staying cool in this heat wave is turning a lot of heads. If you've been on Interstate 70 in St. Charles the last couple of days, you may have seen it.
Yeah, we sent Fox 2's George Sells to find out just who this guy is and why he's doing it, George.
Well, guys, when you think of motorcycles and the attire commonly associated with them, you probably have a lot of things pop into your head. This is probably not among those things.
Many motorcyclists have enjoyed their hair blowing in the wind on a hot day. Jacob Southard enjoys, well, almost everything blowing in the wind.
What are we doing here?
Beating the heat.
It began as a sort of dare, and on to I-70 he went.
I felt like I was famous with all the cameras, and everybody was just laughing. I guess a couple old ladies were like, but other than that, everybody had a good time.
Fun to say the least. Never in your life have you seen so many people trying to take photographs while driving. So many uncomfortable grins, and the most common reaction, most people are just saying, would you look at this guy?
Boy, I tell you what, I was getting my phone ready. I was going to take a picture because I knew nobody was going to believe me.
Yeah, have you ever considered an outfit like that?
No. I don't think I'd look too good in that.
Jacob had his questions before taking off. First, would he get arrested? He asked a cop.
I showed him a picture and said, hey, am I going to go to jail for this? And he goes, you're covered up, so no.
Then there's his job. This man is a loan officer.
Has your boss seen the outfit yet?
Oh, yeah, she actually took a picture going down the highway yesterday and texted me and said, you're a freak.
You're probably not surprised that his wife, yes, I said wife, didn't want to appear on camera, so we sought out the female viewpoint.
Are you surprised his wife lets him out of the house like this?
Yes, very surprised.
Will you be surprised that she lets him back in?
Yes.
He goes, there's no sense in arguing with him, just let him go.
So ride on he will, even if it burns a little, with almost everyone getting a chuckle. Almost everyone.
Mom was not happy. But you only live life once, Mom. Smile!
And Jacob tells us his Facebook and Twitter are absolutely blowing up. If you'd like to know more about his story, see a photo gallery, you can go to our website, fox2now.com. Live in Maryland Heights, George Sells, Fox 2 News.
George, I have to say, I would imagine that he would have to park that bike in the shade if he goes in somewhere.
Absolutely needs to park the bike in the shade. He's got some sunburn going on. That's one of the pictures in that photo gallery. And I've got to tell you, in 20 years of reporting, this is the first time an interviewee has ever asked me to hold his pants.
Thanks, George.